Oho atongoria matanyiheire 12,000 nio magomanite kĩgomano-inĩ gĩkĩ hamwe anaria anyite unyitanĩri wa utongoria wa mabũrũri mangĩ ma Europe. President wa European Union Ursula von der nĩ akoretwo akihinyĩrĩirie anyitĩte mbaru itemi rĩrĩ akĩgomana kĩgomano-inĩ gĩkĩ gũtigĩrĩra kĩoneki kĩa mabũrũri ma Africa nĩ gĩakinyanĩra.
By speeding up the transition to solar and wind power, energy sector jobs in Africa could double in a few years. And Africa could produce enough clean energy not only to power up your continent, but also to export abroad. Climate action can be one of the main drivers of Africa's growth. But for this, Africa needs massive investment. And Europe wants to be your partner, in closing this investment gap. First of all, we fully support the need for multilateral development bank reform. It is time to move from words to action, absolutely. Secondly, investment has to come, and this is why 150 billion euro in our investment plan are designated for Africa. We call it Global Gateway. They are aimed at the African continent. Global Gateway supports investments ranging from hydropower plants in the DRC, Burundi, Rwanda, and Tanzania, to the 1 billion euro initiative on climate adaptation and resilience in Africa, which we announced at COP